Alright, drain the grease out. And let this brown up really nice. Probably drain it again shortly. A little taste. I'll get back to usual this evening. Alright, here we go. Add some beef stock to it now. Let that cook down. Alright, added 1 load of beans and stew tomatoes. I'll add another load here in just a minute. I'm trying to start adding the chili mix to it. Alright, it's going. Alright, I use Carroll Shelby's chili mix. If anybody can make a Ford go fast, he must be alright. Add a little bit more beef stock, a little water. And stir that and let that simmer for a while. Alright, so now we're just in the simmering and stewing stages. Got some coals on the top. And probably need to clean my camera. And see the steam starting to come out, the little steam vent thing there. Alright. Seems like our neighbor's electric cars are making electric car noises. So, alright. Alright. So, chili's pretty much done. Just let it cook. Put a little coals on top. Note about this right here, I decided to make a little oven with these bricks, and it really seems to work pretty well. It keeps everything nice and warm. And when we're done with it, I'll probably put the bricks on the side edges of our little fire pit. We'll see. We may end up using them somewhere else. The wife expressed interest in putting them around the trees as well, so we'll see. But yeah. So this is Christmas 2024, and it's our little campfire cookout. Have a good day.